carefully one by one. I'm going to remove the smell. This is the first dashi soup made with rasu kelp and bonito flakes. Good pose with strength. This is a soup using the last Umezarugi era. This is it. Prepare ice water. Carefully one by one. I'm going to remove the smell. A set of liver dressing and soup so you don't waste anything. This is the first dashi soup made with rasu kelp and bonito flakes. Rasu kombu is said to have the strongest flavor, making it the best for soups. It's a bit high class, isn't it? Such high quality and nutritious kelp. The soup stock is exquisite. Soup made with fish stock and bonito kelp stock. Light the fire and let it simmer. If you let it simmer, lye will come out. So handle it carefully. Once the lye has been processed, season it. First, odor removing alcohol. The seasoning is gentle, so use a little bit of everything. 1 tablespoon of sake. To teaspoon soy sauce. A little salt. This is your choice. I'll have a taste. Good pose with strength. It seems to have the best taste. Mr. Kombu, who is very high class, is doing a good job. The soup using the era of the Japanese black. Hag is completed.